Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning. How are you? How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. Guys, I just received awesome gift package from. I just received this awesome gift package from our friends from Meloche. And Meloche, I believe he's from Canada, from Quebec. I just received his awesome gift package for joining our event. I just received this one. It's like like last week because I just got so busy. Because I don't have time to do unboxing, so I'm so sorry to come lost because I've been busy with my work and I've been busy babysitting our twin children. So that's why I just have time to do it today. So I just gonna open it. This awesome gift package from our friends from Meloche, from Canada, from Quebec. So let's see what's inside because I don't know what's inside also. So because he just sent me this awesome great cards for joining our recipe. So let's see what's inside then, okay, guys? So now I'm gonna open this gift package. So let's see what Meloche sent us. Wow, this is really cool. Meloche, this one, see this one. This one Meloche just sent us two awesome race cards for joining our future recipe, for our recipe. So this one is really cool because I never seen this one also in in our local store like this one like this one more like this one cap this one the one's called a Connie cap too, like this one more like a taxi cap, like the one have has a England country flag, and also this one like more like fire truck, but this one is called a fire eater. So I'm gonna show you guys one by one. So thank you so much once again to Meloche from our Decades Racing friends who have been joining our server several times already in our recipe, like the previous recipe, and also our new recipe which already launched until now already almost like round 3, which is called International Recipe Champions. But I just received this one. I just received this gift package like a week ago, but I just don't have time to do it. So that's why I just have time to do it today. So I'm so sorry to Meloche for late unboxing your awesome gift package. Okay, so this one, the first one that the Meloche just sent us this one, the awesome really awesome race cars. But I don't know yet if this car can run well on our website, but which I'm gonna try to run it on website later on after this unboxing. So I'm gonna show you guys how this race car can run, how it goes. So okay, so now I'm gonna open it to show you guys this one. So this one, the first one, like the Meloche just sent us awesome race cars for joining our race event, which I'm gonna try in a minute, after unboxing these two awesome race cars. So this one, the first one, this one's called Connie Cap 2. So this one is from Hot Wheels Metro. Okay, so this one's really cool, man. This one's really awesome casting. Because I never actually seen this one before in our local toy store. So this is the first time I have this kind of race car because I never have it before. So thank you so much to Meloche from our Decades Racing friends from Canada, from Quebec, Canada. So for sending me your awesome cool race cars for joining our race event. So this one got really nice wheel. So hopefully this car can run well on our racetrack, can run smoothly on racetrack. So I'm gonna try it after this, okay, guys. So this one, I'm just gonna show you guys this one because this one's really nice model, really cool castings, because I really love it, because this one, see this one, it's like the top of it, got two of this, really nice. So this one's really cool, man. So because I never seen this one before, so it's my first time to see this taxi car. I has a England country flag, which is really cool, man. So this was really cool, man. So this one is really awesome. So this one's really awesome race car though. So Okay, so now I'm gonna switch guys to the second one. So which I'm gonna try after this I'm gonna try to run it on right side. Okay, come along. So let's see how well this car can go. Like how much this car like a half speed for racing on a race track. So which I'm gonna try to like I'm gonna try to do it. I'm gonna try to race your like these two awesome race car. I'm gonna try to do it like next week on our another morning live race. So this one will be the second one. So this one is called a Fire Eater. So this one is from Howard's Rescue. So this one's really cool, man. So this one is also it's really good, really nice fire truck. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm gonna try to focus it, So this one is really cool model, man. Because I never have this one before. I never have I never have like a fire truck before for Howard. So this one because this one's really cool and also got a really nice really really nice rims, and also this one has a like a number 21. So this was really cool, man. So I don't know if you can see it because this I'm sorry this not really focus at all. So because this one's really cool, man. So I see this one like in the top of it, got really this one got really a nice siren light, and also this one like over here is really cool, like see this one like in the back also like more like a I think it's more like a like more like people like can sit over here, more like sitting chairs, So this one's really cool, man. So this one, so also this one's really nice. Also like maybe like over here maybe more like have like a pipe for water, and over here it's more like I think this one's more like I think it's more like a maybe more like a shovel maybe. So I don't know, man. So this one, but this is really cool though. So this one's really cool models. So this one's really awesome. So this one's really cool. So in the top of it, also this one's really nice, man. So okay, so now I'm gonna try to run it on our website. So but first of all, thank you so much once again to Meloche, to our Decades Racing friends for sending me your these like two awesome these two awesome race cars, which I'm gonna try now to run it on our website, see how well this car can go. So let's see them, okay guys. So guys ready, guys? So here we go, guys. Let's start. So let's see how these two guys can go. So hopefully these two the one you send it to me, Meloche, can use for our future race event. If it does, then I'm gonna try to run it on next week, like our another morning live race. So you guys ready? Here we go, guys. Let's see how well this car can go on a website. How hopefully it can run really smoothly. So if it does, I can use. So I'm gonna use it for our future race event, and also I'm gonna use it to test running to race with other cars on our next week morning live race. Okay, guys. Now let's see how it goes, guys. Okay, guys ready? Here we go, guys. So guys, now this one for the first car from our the guys invest for Meloche just me this one the awesome race car. So now let's see like how well this the first race car to run our website. So this car is called Fire Eater. So now we put in the inside lane. So let's see how well this car can go. So guys ready? Here we go. This is guys. So see how well this car can go. Well, it seems like this car can really run really smoothly, so it doesn't have any problem at all. So now I'm gonna try to run it for switching back for the outside lane. So let's see how this car can run from the outside lane. But it seems like from this side this car got really okay speed. So now I'm gonna try to run it from the outside lane. So guys, ready, guys? Here we go. So now let's see also whether this car can run. Well, it seems like this car really fast though. So this one's really this car is really fast, can run really well. So now I'm gonna try to test it for our second race car. So the one Meloche just sent us to for joining our race event. So this one's really cool. So this one's really cool, right? This one's really nice, really nice castings, really good. So this car is called Connie Cat 2. So let's see how this car can go. So now I'm now ready to put it in inside lane. So this car is called Connie Cap 2. So you guys ready? Here we go. Well, this car seems like really good, really well. Wait a minute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, man. So, oh my gosh, Kamala. So this one is just the car got really low speed, but the first car got like no more speed. But at the end, this one when like for the last turn, this car just start in the last turn. So I guess this car cannot use for race. So I guess I'm gonna keep escalation. So but thank you so much to Kamala for sending me your the second one. But this one second one unfortunately cannot run at all. So sorry to come a loss. So now I'm now gonna try to run it from from the inside lane. Yeah, I'm sorry from the outside lane. I'm sorry from the outside lane. So let's see how well this car can go from the outside lane. Since I'm inside lane already failed. So just sitting. Here we go. So let's see where this car can go. Seems like this car kind of really has really slow speed. Oh my gosh! so seems like this car also like a start in the like almost heading to the last turn, but this car this taxi cab just stuck in the after passing the flip over. I'm sorry the flyer. So that means this car cannot use it at all for race. So I'm gonna keep it question. So thank you so much to Kamalos. So sorry Kamalos, your second awesome race car can use for race at all. So I'm gonna keep it question. Thank you so much, man. Okay. So guys, thank you so much to Kamalos for sending me like this awesome race car. So but unfortunately I just which I showed you guys earlier, like only this car car is called Fighter can run it can run smoothly on the racetrack. So this one I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna try to use it for our next week morning live race. So let's see if this car can beat other race cars. So in like the one I have in our cars race car collection. So let's see how well this this fire truck how well it goes. So hopefully this fire truck can be used for our future race event after I try to run it for our next week morning live race. So thank you so much to Kamalos for sending me your awesome fire truck. So for this one, the one is called a Fire Eater. So thanks so much, guys. So thanks so much to Kamalos, but I'm so sorry Kamalos for this one. The second one cannot use it all for race because this one already showed to you. So this car basically this car just stuck, got really low speed, almost almost got no speed at all. So this one cannot use it for race at all. So I'm gonna keep it this one as collection. But this is really good though. But this is really good collection because this one's really good castings, which I really love this car so much, because I never seen this one before. So thank you so much to Kamalos for sending me like two awesome race cars. So which this one is my most favorite. Like if I compare to this fire truck. So this one because I really love this casting so much because the way this casting has more like a England country flag, and also like a taxi cab. It's more like a really cool taxi cab. So this is really more like a classic taxi cab, man. So thank you so much to Kamalos. So I'm gonna see you guys next time, guys. Okay, guys. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and comment. Peace, guys. So thanks so much to Kamalos for once again for sending me your awesome gift package, which like the one you sent me two awesome race cars for junior race event. But unfortunately, the one I can use it just only this one. So this one, this one, the one I can use it for our morning live race, or our future race event, which I'm gonna try to see how well this truck can go. So hopefully can win with other race cars from our cars collection. Okay, so see you guys next time, guys. So thanks so much once again to Kamalos. From Kamalos, from Quebec, Canada. So see you guys next time, guys. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye, guys. See you guys next time. So see you guys in our upcoming next event, which is called International Wrestling Champions for 2020 tournament. So good luck for whoever join our International Wrestling Champions. So good luck for you guys. You guys team racing. Hopefully you guys win. So see you guys then. Okay, guys. Bye, guys. See you guys next time. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment. Bye, guys.